How to create second Skrill account. Hey guys, in this video I will teach you how you can create second Skrill account. So how do it? The first step is by logging in into your Skrill account. Once you're logged in, we can see the home page etc. Now the next step is move to the top right side of the screen and then you log out. All right, just click on log out, and then once you click on log out, automatically you will be logged out of your Skrill account. And then once you're logged out, you'll be brought to the page where you'd see log in into your Skrill account. All right, and then you can see the option don't have an account to register. So just click on register. And then once you click on register, you'll be brought to the registers page where you'll be asked to, enter details like your first name, last name, etc. So, okay. So let's scroll up and then fill in all of the required information. So first name, you can just tap here and then type out the first name for the account that you're about to open. Then go to the last name and do the same. All right. And then select the country, the currency, then email. Okay. So after typing in email, the next step is to type out a strong password. All right, to avoid your account from being hacked. And then the next step is to scroll down. Okay, scroll down, and then once you're done, click on register, and then you'll be asked to verify your account. All right, so you can just select the option instruction given, which is to select all images with buses. And then once you're done, you can decide to save if you want to. And then you'll be asked to verify your email address. So the next step is to go to your email, click on your email, verify it, and then once it has been verified, you click on go to login, and then just like that, your Skrill account will be created. So the major way of creating a second Skrill account is by inputting an email address that is different from the one you use for your first Skrill account. All right, because if you use the same email address, the Skrill account would not be created. So once you're done verifying, your account will be created automatically, and then you can continue enjoying your second Skrill account. So that is it. Thank you and have a nice day.